Okay, so I know we haven't actually gotten you much film so far of the actual framing construction. There is some in the backlog of videos that were supposed to be put together, but yeah, we'll get to that someday maybe. In the meantime, right now we've got 3 of the walls sided. I'm about to start throwing the roof on. To do that, I kind of want to have these porch roof pieces, the frames here, and then the purlins going this way. I want them installed. So I'm going to quick throw this one on, show you how easy stuff slides together with this, throw some screws in, and you're framed up. Yeah, I'm sweaty. It's about 88 degrees today, which is actually kind of nice compared to the way this summer has been. But once this siding went up, it's just beaten off of this. So another reason why we wanted the porches, because once those are on, just over there in the shade, where we now have it shaded on the other side between these two buildings, feels amazing. Here where the sun is beating down, whew, I want to go home. Easy as that. I'm going to grab my drill here. I've got a little impact drill with a, I believe it was 5/16. Yeah, 5/16 magnet socket. These are all self-tapper screws. So it's just a matter of putting the time and effort. There you have it. Thanks for watching, y'all. Lord bless you and keep you.